So we've got one of our spotlights out in our Wanderlodge. It's pretty easy to take apart. 2 screwdrivers will do it. First off, you take off this ring, Phillips screwdriver. And it is directional, so make sure you pay attention to which way it comes off. This is the old bulb here, all blown out. GE 4700. That's what we got here to replace it. 4700. So here's some free advice for you. When I was in auto shop, one thing they taught us, especially when doing rear drum brakes, is only do one side at a time. In case you forget how to put it back together, you got one side that's assembled. Well, now with modern technology, bam, you just take a little picture of it. You can see which wire goes where. Pretty darn simple. So, already got one of these tightened down. Let's put it back together and see if it'll work. Also, when putting this in, you got a little notch here in the glass that lines up the notch in the housing right there. Alright, wire's on, but while I was putting this retaining clamp back on, looks like a little plastic or nylon nut that was on here broke off, so I just put a regular nut on here. So let's try putting that back together now. Perfect. There's one, and there's the other.